I had a ton to do on the van, so it felt like I didn't know where to start. The van had been living a rough life and had some big scratches along the side that had begun to rust. The metal felt solid, so that's good. I'm planning on repainting the whole van later, but right now I just wanted to stop the rust from getting worse. So I removed the rust and covered the metal up with some spray paint. That should do for a few months. The next day I started on project Remove the Bulkhead, the wall between the cabin and the loading areas. It was held down by pop rivets, and I removed a lot of them already in this van. However, these were so hard, so I couldn't get them loose with a drill. I tried everything I could right then, but I had to come back the day after that. And then I brought the angle grinder. It seemed like everything worked. And so it came loose. But I couldn't move it against me, so I put it down on the floor. And after a quick peek under the carpet, I found another bunch of pop rivets. But then I finally got the bulkhead out, and it felt so good. And then I removed the last bit of the floor mat or old insulation or whatever it was. It was much easier done here than in the rest of the van. And then it was time for some cleaning. And then the snow came. And I continued to remove the glue of the old insulation.
can't feel my toes anymore, so that's it for today.
On day 2 with snow, I did the same. And it started to feel really good. The van was becoming this clean shell full of nothing but opportunities. In one way it felt like it would never be finished. But in another way it felt like I'm actually doing it, fulfilling a 10-year-old dream. But then I found a minor water leak, with just a few drops finding its way through the roofs. I removed the rust there, gave it new paint and covered it with some silicone. And that should do. I kept an eye on it a time after, and it seemed like it worked. Thank you for watching this, and see you in the next update if you want to.